Hi, my name's Sasha. I live in Nelson in British Columbia. I'm reviewing the canvas Skyline Hard Top Gazebo, which I put to the test by putting it up. It takes probably about 3 hours of two people putting it together. If you like Lego, it's easy. So you just follow the instructions and assemble it, and it comes with all of the tools. Currently, we are not utilizing it. You can see here that it's behind me, but it's really sturdy. It looks really stylish. It's a nice color. And as soon as our outdoor furniture arrives, we'll be using it. I don't know if you can see today, but it's raining here in Nelson, and I'm standing underneath it. It's keeping me completely dry. And when it's sunny, it keeps out all of the sun. It also comes with some netting to keep out the bugs. We haven't tested that yet, but we're sure that it's going to work for us. And we're really happy with it, and I would absolutely recommend it. So thanks for listening, and I hope this was helpful. I would recommend the Canvas Skyline Hardtop Gazebo to my family and friends. If you have a deck and you want to put something up quickly so you can sit outside, this is probably the best thing. It's sturdy, and it will be okay to leave out for when it's raining and for when it's sunny. And even I think it has a snow rating. So it's a pretty good product that goes up really quickly. So you can have an instant outdoor entertaining area.